In a world where speed and precision are paramount, Delta robots stand as a testament to the fascinating blend of engineering and technology. These robots, with their rapid movements and pinpoint accuracy, are revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to packaging and beyond. Picture a robot with 3 arms, each connected at the base and converging at a platform. This is the basic structure of a Delta robot. The arms, deftly controlled by motors, move in harmony, allowing the robot to navigate 3-dimensional space with an agility that is truly awe-inspiring. The secret to the Delta robot's speed and precision lies in its unique design. By employing a parallel kinematic structure, the end effector, or the business end of the robot, is connected to the base through multiple parallel linkages. This configuration not only helps distribute loads evenly, but also minimizes inertia, making the robot incredibly fast. But it's not just speed that sets Delta robots apart. Precision is another key attribute. These robots can repeatedly position and handle objects with a level of accuracy that is simply unmatched. This extraordinary precision, coupled with their speed, makes them an ideal choice for tasks that require both rapid and accurate movements. An essential aspect of the Delta robot's design is its lightweight construction. By using lightweight materials, engineers have managed to reduce the overall inertia of the system. This reduction allows for faster acceleration and deceleration, further enhancing the robot's speed capabilities. Delta robots also boast a large and easily accessible workspace. This feature, born from their unique design, makes them suitable for a wide range of applications where a broad range of motion is required. This flexibility is one of the reasons why we find Delta robots in various industries, from electronics manufacturing to food and beverage packaging, pharmaceuticals, and more. However, as impressive as Delta robots are, it's crucial to understand that they may not be the best choice for every robotic task. The choice of robot type should always be dictated by the specific requirements of the application, including speed, precision, payload capacity, and workspace constraints. In summary, Delta robots, with their high-speed capabilities, excellent precision, parallel kinematic structure, lightweight design, and large workspace geometry, are a force to be reckoned with in the world of robotics. They are a shining example of how engineering and technology can come together to create something truly remarkable. But as with any tool, their effectiveness ultimately depends on how well they are matched to the task at hand.